ride in the 240? What's happening? Welcome back. Hope you guys are all doing well. Forgot my sunglasses. Oh, rest in peace. We got some BMW fan behind me. It's that little 440. .430. Bamboozled me. So yeah, guys, I put about 500 miles on the car so far. No issues. Just that O2 sensor needs to be replaced, and I think we good. Been doing some like little small pulls here and there, and no red flags yet. There is a part that we're waiting for though, to be able to turn the car up a little bit, because we do have a small boost leak. But besides that, it's good. Hopefully it's just up from here, guys. This thing was on the road to be in my Evo and my goddamn G35. But hopefully we good now though. Headed over to PQ right now. Gonna throw the car up on the lift, check everything out, probably put my rear diffuser on that I have back here. We're gonna replace that O2, and then since the car's gonna be on the lift, I'm probably gonna lower it a little bit again. I think I'm just gonna max the back out. There's only like a ½ inch left, and then the front, I'll just even it out. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I finally swapped out the stupid ass clicky clacks. Them damn magnetic paddles are so annoying, bruh. Look at, wait a minute. You don't hear nothing, look. Nothing, but you hear that thing downshift though. Happy I don't have the clicky clackies in here no more. Shit, them things sound like tap dance shoes. Dang, the little dually mamalona. That's the ultimate compa right there. Damn, I was about to do a pull. That was my sign to not do a pull. And we arrived over here at PQ Performance. Told you guys my new job. I'm CEO, running everything around here. Damn, bro, didn't even make the first payment yet. These 437 stocks look way better than the 403s. I'm just, no memories. Not the Yeezys. Yeah, these look nice. Little ride in the 240. Sounds sick. X-Drive boys. No wonder that shit broke an axle. Fuck. If I was the axle, I'd break too. Fuck. Fucking Chris. Yeah, that shit blows.
No, it's like really impressive with a stock B58.
Nah, seriously. All you get is tunnel vision and E85 fumes. I'm gonna take this back for him. I know what's wrong with it. They ain't got no gas. This was to pick up a customer's car real quick. This thing sounds like a straight diesel. Cummins. Bro, I'll get in trouble. I can't have shit like this, bro. I'll literally be in trouble. It definitely pulls. You need 2 hands in this motherfucker. Little ass car. Big ass turbo, big ass tires. I need my head strap for this one. You need 2 hands for this shit, bro. Damn.
I was gonna tell you, let's go ahead and do those ADV1s, bro.
Yeah, I'm dead. That shit funny as hell. Sick ass little F79. Stocks do look clean on it though, I ain't gonna lie. Alright guys, O2's changed, it's all good, we shouldn't have that problem no more. Here is the diffuser. Yes sir. In my opinion, this is the best diffuser for a stock bumper 340. I just really hate these red reflectors. If you just like black these out, it wouldn't look that bad. But for sure needs the diffuser, 100%. Needs that. This comes off, and boom! Should look pretty good. And lowering the rear some more. I'm gonna lower the front, and fitment should be good.
Guy Kicks right here working on his own car. He didn't tell us to do it. I was bored. Who changed it? Really, fool? What's that? For the homie. For the homie. Just go like this, look. Hey! As you guys can see, Fresh Kick just got hired today. His first task was to fix his own car.
Yeah. YouTube ain't working out, G.
YouTube didn't make it, I guess, so he's here at PQ. So with that being said, yeah. $10 per picture. Pull up. Get a whole line tomorrow right there. Oh, that looks way better.
Oh yeah. It's been a long day clocked in over here at PQ. At the office. So we weren't able to get the airbag light off yet, because when the airbag was off, we coated it. So now that we put it back on, it's like bugging out. So I gotta like recoat it, get rid of that. But besides that, we should be good. I should get no more check engine for the O2. That's replaced. Car is almost at a desirable height, so I will get a alignment soon. Still might have to tweak the front a tiny bit. Ooh, a suede heated steering wheel is crazy. Just sold the Advance. Some guy in a Type R picked him up. Very nice. Yeah, the fitment looks so much better, man. Damn, this pump is slow. Yeah, check out that rear diffuser. Nice. It's so much better. Needed that. Believe it or not, I actually had a carbon fiber trunk, but I put it on and the fitment was horrible, bro. I didn't even post a video or nothing of it. It was just so bad. I could like put my iPhone in the crack, bro. Like that's how bad the fitment was. So that was a no-go. Definitely looks way better. Now we talking. Very nice.